Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil, and we're here at
Geneva.
Welcome to Grand Geneva Resort and Spa. We stayed here for a couple of days and we'd love to give you a tour. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a spacious lobby and a check-in desk immediately to your left. Once we were checked in, we immediately went to our room. We booked the 2-bedroom villa, which is a short drive from the lodge registration. So this is our villa right here, 1056. Now to give you guys an idea, there's a few units out over here, so 8 total, and there's multiple villas. Now this is the 2-bedroom, and we'll go ahead and take a tour of the property. So as soon as you enter, you have some closet space here that's open. You got your safe here as well, some umbrellas that you can use. And then immediately to your right, you got your king bedroom. High ceilings as well. So your king bed, corner tables. You also got a fan, so that's nice. I like that noise when you're sleeping. You got your ironing board in here. Got a little window on the side as well. And then off to the side and corner here, you got your dresser with your TV. Before we go upstairs, let's see what else we got down here. So immediately right after, you got your washroom. So standing shower in this one, your sink, your vanity. And then, oh, this is nice. So here you got your seating living room area. Now the sofa does turn into a sofa bed, but we'll just kind of pan on over. And this one has a full functioning kitchen. So you got your dining table that seats 6, everything you need for a long stay. So your plates and everything are included with this. Everything is stocked and ready to go. And then you got your kitchen sink, coffee maker, and then your fridge. So high ceilings in the seating area, living room area as well. And then your TV, your fireplace. Let's see what's on the back side here. Oh, so you got your patio. This is nice. So we'll open this up and kind of get a look at this. So you got your screen on here too, so you can leave this open. But yeah, this is your patio. This is actually very soothing, calm. So on the back side of our villa, they got this nice fire pit that you can go ahead and use, and go ahead and turn it on and use it at your own use. And then on the back end also, they got a barbecue grill that you can utilize. And you also got an outdoor pool off to the back end there as well. And we'll go back in and we'll just kind of look over at this. So it looks like there's a bedroom up there, but we'll head on upstairs next. And then we'll look down as well to give you a different perspective. So very large, very nice. And then upstairs here is another king bed. So this room's a lot larger, same thing. You got high ceilings in here as well. And this actually closes up, so you got a door. So you can leave this open where you can kind of oversee the downstairs or close it up for privacy. You got your corner tables here as well. And then a corner chair off to the side over there. So open space, you can go ahead and put your luggage here. You got a closet. And then this room also has another bathroom. So yeah, this concludes the room tour of the 2-bedroom villa. Let's see what else this place has to offer. As soon as you exit our villa, there's also a playground for the kids. So here they also have basketball courts, tennis courts that you could book. Basketball courts, I believe, are free. And then open field. You got my son running back towards me. What's up, buddy? How's the park?
Good.
Yeah, you like it? Yeah. But yeah, open field, and let's go look at the playground up close. And then they got the trolleys all throughout waiting for you, so you can go ahead and hop on. It'll take you anywhere on the property, including Timber Ridge, which is connected to us. So there's another trolley that takes you downtown to Lake Geneva. I'm not exactly sure which trolley it is, but it's nice that they do that. I think it's 3 times a day. Heading back to the lodge, you'll find a few dining options, starting with Grand Cafe. This restaurant is right at the lobby entrance, offering breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We chose this restaurant for breakfast. While they had a breakfast buffet, we decided to choose options off the menu. The restaurant is also connected to the lobby bar and lounge, a classy vibe with live music. Next, we checked out Ristorante Brissago, a contemporary take on traditional Italian cuisine. Another great restaurant is Geneva ChopHouse, upscale steak and seafood eatery. Moving on from dining, you can exit the lodge from the back and onto Ember's Terrace, with plenty of seating, a fire pit, and it overlooks the property's golf course. Continuing on with the on-site amenities, the main lodge also features 2 swimming pools, an outdoor pool, and even one inside. The resort also has a well spa and salon, all located in its own building. Inside, there's plenty more to do, including a fitness center, indoor lap pool, basketball court, pickleball courts, fitness classes, and they even have rock wall climbing. As mentioned earlier, they have a trolley that takes you around the property, including Timber Ridge. We stopped by here quickly because the kids wanted to play some mini bowling and hit up the arcades. Can I sit too? And if all that wasn't enough, on site you'll also find a free petting farm. They also offer different excursions like horseback riding. There is seriously so much to do here with everything we mentioned and more. Ending it off by showing the coffee shop, shopping, and various trails. They also have special events on site, like for Mother's Day, we attended their brunch. Well, there you folks have it, Grand Geneva. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.